Using the system's address book helps simplify the process of inputting recipients' email addresses for scan-to-email jobs. Perform the following steps to scan an original and send it to an email address. Place the originals on the glass or in the document feeder. Press the Scan button on the touch panel. Press the Email button on the touch panel. You can select email address in various ways. For this tutorial, you can select an email contact directly from the address book. Press Detail. Specify the appropriate settings on the screen. Enter the subject and body information using the on-screen keyboard. Specify the file name and file format. Select either single-page file, or multiple page file. Set security, digital signature, or OCR settings as needed. After setting desired scan details, press OK. Specify any additional settings you require and press OK. Press Scan or Start to start the scan job.